Highs in the 80s, lows in the 50s. For Tuesday, mostly clear. A slight chance of rain showers. Highs in the upper 70s to mid-80s. Lows in the mid-50s to lower 60s. These are the midnight observations at Yakima. Skies were clear. Smoke was reported. Temperature 80 degrees, dew point 51, and relative humidity 36%. Wind northwest at 7 miles an hour. Pressure 29.80 inches and falling. At Sunnyside, it was clear. Temperature was 64 degrees, dew point 61, and relative humidity 90%. Wind east at 5 miles an hour. Pressure 29.76 inches and steady. At Ellensburg, it was clear. Temperature was 74 degrees, dew point 56, and relative humidity 53%. Wind northwest at 14 miles an hour. Pressure 29.85 inches and rising. At Outlook, wind west at 7 miles an hour. At Mountain, temperature was 79 degrees. Wind southwest at 6 miles an hour. At White Swan, temperature was 75 degrees, dew point 60, and relative humidity 60%. At Tompinish, temperature was 81 degrees. It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 67 at Portland. It was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 66 at Seattle, 82 at Spokane, and 81 at the Dells. It was clear, with a temperature of 72 at the Tri-Cities Airport, and 73 at Moses Lake.
This is NOAA Weather in Pendleton, broadcasting from KIG 75 in Yakima. The current time is 12:49 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
Wind advisory for the following areas in Washington, Kittitas Valley and Yakima Valley. Wind advisory remains in effect from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Friday. Winds west 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. Timing: winds will increase in the morning, becoming strong in the afternoon and evening. Impacts: main concern with the gusty winds will be blowing dust in the Columbia Basin. Visibility may be reduced in areas. A wind advisory means that winds of 35 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. The forecast for the Yakima Valley, including Sunnyside and Yakima. Wind advisory in effect from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Friday. For tonight, mostly clear. Low 63 to 69. Northwest wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. For Friday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then mostly sunny in the afternoon. Hazy in the afternoon. Windy, not as warm. Highs 80 to 85. West wind 5 to 10 miles an hour, increasing to 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to around 50 miles an hour in the afternoon. For Friday night, mostly clear. Windy, cooler. Lows 49 to 54. West wind 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts to around 50 miles per hour, decreasing to 10 to 15 miles an hour overnight. And for Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs 81 to 86. West wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. The forecast for the Kittitas Valley, including Ellensburg. Wind advisory in effect from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Friday. For tonight, mostly clear. Low 65 to 70. Northwest wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. For Friday, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Areas of blowing dust in the afternoon. Windy, not as warm. High 76 to 82. Northwest wind 15 to 20 miles an hour, increasing to west 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to around 50 miles an hour in the afternoon. For Friday night, partly cloudy. Windy, cooler. Areas of blowing dust in the evening. Lows 49 to 54. West wind 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts to around 50